oldest surviving set were created for the Duke of Milan's family around 1440. According to the records, tarot cards originated in northern Italy during the late 14th or early 15th century. It is also said tarot was brought to Europe, possibly from China, India, Egypt, Persia by gypsies. The cards were used as playing cards. They were used for fun and frolic. Tarot symbols might be found from ancient Egypt and China or derived from cells. Over the centuries, many decks got designed. In France, it was called tarot, and in Italy, it was called tarocchi. Let's learn the keywords for the major arcanas. The Fool, a beginning. The Magician, cleverness. The High Priestess, intuition. Now, what is tarot? Tarot is a way to develop one's intuitive skills. Tarot क्या है? Tarot एक ज्ञान है, एक ऐसी अंतरात्मा को जानने का जरिया है, अंतरात्मा की विकास का एक प्रक्रिया है. The Empress, fertility. The Emperor, ambition. The Hierophant, spiritual reading. टैरो कार्ड्स की शुरुआत कैसे हुई, ये एक मिस्ट्री है, एक राज है जो आज तक क्लियर नहीं हुआ है. बहुत सी थ्योरीज हैं उसके ओरिजिनेशन. द लवर्स, लव. द चैरियट, सक्सेस, ट्रैवल, स्ट्रेंथ, करेज. Tarot card speaks. One must have intuitive mind to read them. Hermit, wisdom. Wheel of fortune, cycle of life. Justice, legal affairs. The hanged man, sacrifice. टैरो कार्ड्स में इतनी ताकत होती है कि वो छुपे हुए राज को भी फाश कर देते हैं. आपके सामने जो उलझने होती हैं उनको सुलझाते हैं. डेथ, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. टेम्परेंस, बैलेंस. द डेविल, डिजायर, obsession. The Tower, crash of expectations. There are 78 cards in a tarot deck. 22 major arcanas and 56 minor arcanas. Major arcanas और minor arcanas मिल के आपके किसी भी सवाल का जवाब देते हैं. They work together. Major arcanas and minor arcanas can unreveal the hidden facts, can open the mysteries and can get you the answers from your day-to-day life. रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी से भी अगर आपको अपने सवालों के जवाब चाहिए तो वो आपको गाइड करते हैं और आपकी लाइफ आसान बना देते हैं. टैरो कार्ड स्पीक्स. बस आपको उनकी बोली समझ में आनी चाहिए. द स्टार, ब्लेसिंग्स. द मून, हिडन करंट अनसर्टेनिटी. द सन, enlightenment. Judgment, decision. The world, completion of a cycle. Tarot cards helps in revealing hidden facts, solving the mysteries, and also helps in taking important decisions.